Everyone thinks the best-selling blender for hot liquids is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ninja Nutri Plus. Let's kick things off with the Ninja Nutri Plus Personal Blender. Priced at about $89.99, this compact powerhouse caught my attention right away with its sleek design and practical features. If you want a blender that can whip up smoothies and sauces with ease, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the Pro Extractor blades crush ice and break down whole fruits and vegetables, making it perfect for nutrient-rich drinks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to make soups or sauces, the ability to pulverize ingredients quickly means you get a smooth texture without any lumpy bits. Now, some people complained about the noise level when blending. Here's the thing though, while it does get loud, it's the trade-off for having such a powerful motor. If you're someone who blends in the morning while others are still sleeping, it might be a bit disruptive, but the blending results are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a convenient, portable blender that can handle hot liquids and smoothies. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-quiet. For the price, you're getting solid value with Ninja's reputation for quality. Now, if the Ninja's noise level bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tyreller Immersion Blender. Next up is the Tyreller Immersion Blender, retailing at a budget-friendly $35.96. This handheld option really stood out because of its versatility and power. If you want a blender that can easily handle hot soups right in the pot, this is definitely worth a serious look. With a robust 1100-watt motor, it's designed to create silky smooth purees in seconds, eliminating those pesky lumps. The variable speed trigger means you can control the blending intensity, which is super handy for delicate tasks like emulsifying sauces or making baby food. Here's why this matters for you. When dealing with hot liquids, you need precision, and the pulse-activated sensor gives you just that. However, some users mention that it can struggle with larger batches or very tough ingredients. But honestly, if you're mostly using it for soups or smaller tasks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's really designed for home cooks who value convenience and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you make a lot of soups or sauces and want something easy to clean. Skip this one if you need to blend larger quantities at once. For the price, it's a steal considering its capabilities. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something compact and powerful. Product number 3, Magic Bullet Blender. Now let's talk about the Magic Bullet Blender, priced at just $34.99. This little guy caught my eye because of its compact size and ease of use. If you're looking for something that can make quick sauces or smoothies without taking up much space, this is worth a serious look. The 250-watt motor may not seem powerful compared to others, but it works surprisingly well for small tasks. Its compact design means you can easily store it away or take it out when needed. The key here is that it's perfect for quick blends. Just load your ingredients, twist on the blade, and you're good to go. Here's why this matters for you. If you're making just a serving or two of hot liquid, this blender is an excellent choice without the cleanup hassle of larger models. Now, some users found that it struggles with tougher ingredients, especially if you're trying to make something silky smooth. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly making simple hot drinks or sauces, it gets the job done efficiently. This is perfect for you if you have limited kitchen space or only need to blend small amounts. Skip this one if you plan to use it for larger batches. For its price, it's a handy tool for any kitchen. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful for larger volumes, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Magic Bullet Combo Blender. Next is the Magic Bullet Combo Blender, available for around $39.99. This product piqued my curiosity with its slightly more powerful motor and larger capacity. If you want to whip up larger smoothies or soups, this might be just what you need. With a 600-watt power base, this blender can handle a wider variety of ingredients compared to its smaller counterpart. It also comes with a 48 Oz pitcher, which is great for family-sized servings. The removable cap on the pitcher allows for easy addition of hot liquids during blending, which is a must for making soups. Here's why this matters for you. You can prepare a whole pot of soup without needing to transfer it between containers. However, some users reported that it can be a bit bulky compared to other options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for versatility and larger batches, the size is a small compromise for what you're getting. This is perfect for you if you often cook for a crowd or enjoy making larger meals. Skip this one if counter space is at a premium in your kitchen. Overall, it's an excellent value for what it delivers. Now let's move on to the final product, which brings some serious power to the table. Product number 5, NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo. Finally, we have the NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo, which you can grab for about $76.31. This one really impressed me with its powerful motor and dual functionality. If you're after a blender that can handle everything from hot soups to smoothies, give this one a serious look. It includes a 64 Oz pitcher for larger servings and a 32 Oz cup for when you're on the go. The easy twist extractor blade ensures you get a smooth blend every time. Here's why this matters for you. With this machine, you won't have to worry about uneven blending. It's designed for thorough and efficient results. However, some users mention that it can take a bit of time to clean all the components. But hey, here's the thing, the results you get from this blender make the cleanup worth it. You're investing in a device that performs exceptionally well for various recipes. This is perfect for you if you frequently blend hot liquids and want a powerful, versatile machine. Skip this one if you're looking for something small and compact. For the price, it offers great functionality and performance. So there you have it, the top 5 blenders for hot liquids, each with its unique strengths and a few drawbacks. Whether you're blending soups, smoothies, or sauces, there's definitely something on this list for you. To wrap things up, we've looked at the Ninja Nutri Plus for its compactness, the Tyreller Immersion blender for its versatility, the Magic Bullet for its convenience, the Magic Bullet combo for larger servings, and the NutriBullet for its power and functionality. Each blender has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.